Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about that how you can implement Now Assist for the AI search. So if you see that this is my ServiceNow portal instance. In this portal instance, let's say that I'm going to search call how to reset the password and hit enter. What will be happen? It will go to this next page, and in this next page, you can see this is the our AI search that gives us the filter here, and then top it is using that genius result. It is suggesting something, right? Now how you can enable this Now Assist so that it can give you that in a gist format. It can go through this article and give you that answer. So that's we are going to implement in this video. So first thing is that if you are sure that your AI search is enabled, right now in my case it is enabled, you can see that it is doing the AI search, then well and good. Otherwise, you can go and then check that AI search module here. There is a AI search module available here. In this module, make sure that AI search is enabled. So you can go and then check the status of this AI search and make sure that is enabled. You can see it is ready right now. So I am able to implement the AI search. Other configuration related to the AI search should be implemented and it should be working as expected here. You can see it is already working here. If you have not know that how to do that, I have already a dedicated video for how to set up AI search. You can go and check that. So your AI search has to be implemented first. On top of that, how you can enable these Now Assist things that we are going to discuss in this video. Second step is that you can go to this admin center and then open this Now Assist admin. So this is our Now Assist admin here. We'll close that and go to this Now Assist skill module sections. And then to enable this Now Assist skill under your AI search, you have to have any of these plugin has to have activated. Like you have to have ITSM or CSM or HRSD. Any of these actual plugin or any of these a plugin has to be installed. In my case, I already have a couple of plugins installed. You can see that if I go to the settings and if I click this install, I have installed this ITSM and item plugin. So I am eligible for that. So we'll go to this Now Assist skill again, go to this platform and then search call Q and A, hit enter and make sure that your Now Assist Q&A genius result is activated, the skill is activated. If not, make sure you activate. In my case, it is already activated. So this is the another steps. Now the next step is that go to this service portal. Our case, we are working on this ESC portal. So this is our ESC portal. We'll go to this service portal module again and go to open these portals. And this is our ESC portal. As you can see, this is our ESC portal, which is by default activated. We'll open this ESC portal. Now, if you see that under this service portal, there is a thing called search application called ESC portal default search application. Copy this name and go here and then search call AI search. And once you search that, there is a module called search application. Open that. And you can see this is the search application name and right side there is a search profile attached. Open this search profile. Once you open that, you can see under this genius result. So you can see there is two record. One is called people and catalog item. Two record is found. Now next step is that you can go back again and then type called AI search. And you can see there is a module called Now Assist in AI search. You can simply click this module and then select this Now Assist Q&A and then save changes. So we need Now Assist Q&A and then save changes. Once we have done this one, go back and then check here that a third record will be added here called Now Assist Q&A record. You can change this order if in case needed. But right now the genius result have the three record. One is called people, catalog item and Now Assist Q&A. So this is record is available. Now make sure you log out from the system, you go and then log out from the system and log in again. After login, this is my ESC portal again. And here, let's say that I'm typing call my laptop is not working and hit enter. You can see it's go to this AI search page, and the top it is showing that answer generated by Now Assist. So these answer are generated by Now Assist, and this is Now Assist is showing this data based on this article. So right now 41 article is showing based on this top relevant article. Now Assist summarize that and then it give you the answer. So this way you can implement that Now Assist on top of AI search. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.